Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. For today's vlog, gawa naman tayo ng roasted garlic with parmesan chicken. So ito guys, meron ako ditong slice chicken. Ganito lang kalaki. Ganito kalaki. Depende sa inyo kung hatiin nyo pa. Lagyan natin ng ingredients guys. Oven making to guys, oven making ha. Lagyan natin ng ingredients. So, we have our unang-una. We have first put salt. 1/2 teaspoon salt and little bit. Then, black pepper. We have your black pepper guys. Black pepper. Italian herbs or Italian spices, it will do. This is Italian spices then. Italian herbs or Italian spices, it will do guys ha. That's available in your spices. Italian herbs to sa akin guys. Spice blend. Italian or saging Italian. Hina. So we have paprika, smoked paprika or ini, as long as paprika powder. It's not chili guys, paprika powder. It's a food enhancer to guys. You always see me putting that one. Garlic powder. Garlic powder. Then, parmesan powder. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng parmesan cheese powder sa aking ginagamit guys. Grated parmesan cheese ito guys. Ito yung grated parmesan cheese. Ayan. Tsaka chopped parsley. Ayan. Ayan ito ng chopped parsley. Hatiin natin kay pang sauce itong yun natin. Tapos, the last but not the least, of course, lagi natin lagyan ng olive oil. 1/4 cup olive oil. Always put olive oil guys. Basta nagluluto kayo ng yan, mix natin, mix. Tapos, marinate to for 30 minutes guys, it will do. Then, this is oven making guys. Oven making po ito. Okay. Oven making. So, kalimutan pa natin yung yung lemon. Lagyan mo natin ng lemon juice. So, put also lemon juice, guys. Lemon juice. And also, lemon zest, guys. Ang balat ng lemon. Lagyan natin konti. Balat ng lemon, guys. Ayan. Yung balat lang niya, guys. Sa balat lang niya ang ilagay. Balat lang yan, ang balat lang yan. Tama na ba? Okay na yan. Okay na yan, guys. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Yan. So, let's marinate for 30 minutes, guys. Then we will put in the oven. And this is oven making, guys. By the way, this is oven making. Our recipe for today's video. Okay, ito na, guys. Ayan na. Ayan. So, namarinate natin 30 minutes, guys. Ito na yan. Let's put in the oven tray. Ito. Ganun lang, guys. Ganun lang. Oven making to, guys. Oven making. Depende sa inyo, guys, kung gano'ng kalaki. Depende yan sa inyo. Kung gano'ng kalaki yung pag-slice ng fresh chicken. Pwede rin ito ng chicken tights, guys. Pero ang ginagamit kasi lagi namin, breast chicken. Kasi yung mga tao dito, more on high protein kasi mga diet sila. Kaya yung mga food na ginagawa ko, guys, recommended for those who are making diet, especially high protein, yung low carb. Watch my video, guys, yung mga recipe ko, guys. You can have an idea for your daily food for those who are in low carb diet. Ang low carb kasi, guys, more on high protein ang low carb without rice. Meron ang pagkain nila dito, guys. Always low carb. Tarungin natin, tarungin. Ay, sarap naman ito. Taog na naman ang kaliro nito, guys. I'm sure you will love this recipe, guys. You must try this one, guys. Kailangan lagyan nyo talaga ng olive oil, guys. Kung hindi kayo dahil, pwede naman na yung normal oil. Pero dito kasi, guys, olive oil ay ilalagay. Kasi they are on diet. Diba? English tayo ngayon. Para hindi mahirapan sa kalisod si the girls are us, Christy of the girls, because Christy of the girls are always watching my cooking videos. So, this is for you, sis Christy, the girls for us. The girls are us. It's for you. This is for you, this content. I talk now in English. I hope you're satisfied. Okay, then let's put in the oven, guys. Initin mo na yung oven nyo, guys, for 10 minutes. For high fire. High fire, guys, kasi madali lang tutuin, guys. So we will put this in the oven. Okay? So guys, for roasted garlic, lagyan natin ng ano guys, salt. Salt. Lagyan natin salt. Black pepper. Black pepper. Lagyan natin ito sa oven guys for 20 minutes lang guys. Tapos, Italian seasoning. Yung ginagamit natin kanina. Italian seasoning. Tapos, chili flakes guys. Chili flakes. Lagyan natin chili flakes. And then, always put olive oil guys. Olive oil. Kunti lang lagay guys. Olive oil. So, we'll put this one in the oven guys. Roasted garlic. We'll make it roasted garlic guys. So, hold natin dito guys. Ilagay natin sa oven for 20 minutes. Okay? Ito na. So guys, gawa tayo ng sauce ng ating roasted garlic parmesan chicken. Oh, ito yung ano guys, parmesan yung chop parmesan. Parsley yung chop parsley pala to guys. So, ito yung ingredients natin guys. Instead of ano guys, instead of mayonnaise, diet kasi sila guys, ayaw nila ng mayonnaise. So, I will put yogurt instead of mayonnaise. But this one guys, you can put mayonnaise but for me it's yogurt. So, I will put yogurt guys. Yogurt. Yogurt, low fat to nga yogurt guys. Always using low fat. Low fat talaga dito guys, ginagamit nila guys. Tapos, put salt. A bit salt. Little bit black pepper. Black pepper. And parmesan, grated parmesan cheese. Ito yung nagdala, grated parmesan cheese. Tapos, and then this is that one that we will put in the oven, the garlic, whole garlic. Whole garlic, this one in the oven. And this one. See? Soft na siya guys. It's already soft. So, ilagay natin yung ano guys, yung huwag natin ilagay yung ano guys, yung balat niya. Yun lang ano yung see? Guys. So, ito na yung garlic guys na nilagay natin sa ano. Huwag natin sali yung balat niya guys. Yun lang ano niya guys. Yun lang laman niya. Very soft na siya guys. Oh, very soft. Oh. Ito yung garlic. Nilagay natin sa oven. For 20 minutes. Covered with oil. Let them soft. Ito yung ilagay natin dito. So, diba? Napakayamin ito guys. You must try this one. Ay, init pa nga eh. Tiniis ko lang. It's very hot. Still hot. This one is still hot. Tiniis ko lang. Yan. Ito na. Ito na guys. Ihalo natin. I-mash natin. I-mash. Yan. I-mash na yan ha. I-mash. Dry Queen's Corner. Ito yung sekreto yung kinakain mo dyan sa Matam Dry Queen's Corner. Yung mga sauce na dyan. Ito yung sekreto Dry Queen's Corner. Yung garlic sauce. Instead of Queen's Corner, instead of mayonnaise, you can use yogurt. Kasi yung mayonnaise kasi guys, although low fat siya, low calorie, parang hindi pa rin advisable sa mga nag-diet yung mayonnaise. Although low fat, low calorie. Hindi kasi advisable sa kanila kasi nag-diet yung mayonnaise. So, instead mayonnaise, I put yogurt. Low fat pa rin. So, yummy. Garlic sauce. Ito yung garlic sauce niya, guys. Diba? Wala. Garlic sauce niya. Ito yung garlic sauce niya. Diba? Napakayami nito, guys. You must try this one, guys. Guys, ito naluto na siya guys. Ilipat na natin sa serving dish. Lagyan natin yung sauce natin sa ibabaw. Okay? So now, napakayamin yan. Oven making ito guys. This is oven making. And we will put the sauce. We will transfer it to the serving dish. Then we will put sauce on the top. Okay? So, lagyan natin yung sauce. We will put sauce on the top. So guys, ready to serve na to guys, and thank you for watching for today's content. Thank you everyone. God bless us all.